Hello children, we are back. So, yesterday we had listened to a story where Noddy had been very excited about the coming circus. And while he was waiting on the road, there was a very interesting thing that had happened. You remember? Somebody had fallen out from the van. Now we move on to the second part of this story. Now these stories have been taken from a wonderful book, Noddy and the Bunkie. So children, if you're interested to read it for yourself, this is the book that you need to go and buy. So we are on our story for today, Noddy and Bunkie. Noddy jumped out of his car and ran up at once. "Who are you?" he said. "You look very peculiar." "I am a Bunkie," said the odd-looking person. "Surely you've seen a Bunkie before. I am half a monkey and half a bunny. Can't you see my rabbit ears?" "Yes," said Noddy, staring. "Good gracious! I didn't know there was such a creature. Bunny ears and a monkey face. Well, a Bunkie! Are you hurt?" "Yes, I am," said the Bunkie. "It's my leg. I fell on it. You look crying. Could you help me, do you think?" "Would you like to get into my car? I could drive after the circus and stop it and help you back into your van again," said Noddy. "No, they were very unkind to me at the circus," said Bunkie, big tears rolling down his cheeks and his bunny ears waving to and fro. "I never had enough food. I had to do all the heavy work. They didn't even wait to pick me up when I fell out. Nobody wants me there." Noddy felt very sorry. He put his arms around Bunkie and pulled him gently to his feet. "I don't think your leg is broken," he said. "Look, get into my car and I'll take you to my friend Big Ears. He lives here near here only. He will give you some buns and hot cocoa and let you dry your clothes. What a pity you had to fall into such a big puddle." Bunkie limped to the car and got in. He wore a big straw hat with a floppy brim, and his rabbit ears went through holes in it and stuck straight up. He really did look peculiar. He liked Noddy's little car very much. "Some people are very lucky," he said as he got in. "Fancy having a car like this. Ooh, my leg does hurt. You are being kind to me. What's your name?" "Noddy," said Noddy, nodding his head very fast and making his little bell jingle. Now hold tight, Bunkie." And away they went to Big Ear's house. Noddy hooted as soon as he got there, and Big Ears came to the door. He was most astonished to see Bunkie. "What's this?" he said as Noddy helped Bunkie out. "Who is he? Where did you get him from?" "He's Bunkie," said Noddy. "Haven't you ever heard of one, Big Ears? I thought you knew everyone and everything." Big Ears stared at Bunkie as if he didn't believe his eyes. "Well, in all my 100 years, I have never seen a Bunkie before," he said. "Bunny ears and a monkey face? Well, I never. What's he doing in your car?" Noddy told him and helped Bunkie into the toadstool house. Holding his arm, because Bunky limped so badly. Big Ear's cat Whiskers was sitting by the fire. He took one look at Bunky and fled out of the back door, yowling. Bunky gave an enormous sigh. "It's very hard to be a Bunky," he said. "People either stare or run away." "Poor Bunky," said Noddy. "There now, sit down. Can we have something to eat and drink, Big Ears?" "Yes," said Big Ears, and went to get some buns and put milk on to make hot cocoa. Soon the Bunky was gobbling the buns and enjoying himself. "Wasn't it unkind of the circus not to stop and pick up poor Bunky, Big Ears?" said Noddy. "Big Ears, could you let him stay here for a day or two till his leg gets better?" "I am afraid not," said Big Ears. "But why, Big Ears? You've got plenty of room," said Noddy. Whiskers wouldn't like it," said Big Ears. Bunky got up at once and limped to the door. "I won't stay if I frighten your cat," he said sadly. "Not everyone likes Bunkies, I know. I'll go out into the rain and get soaked. I'll have nowhere to sleep, no home, nothing. But I'll certainly go. Goodbye." No, Bunky, I'll help you," cried Noddy and ran after him. "You can come and stay at my little house for one. I'll look after you till your leg's better. Big Ears is very, very fond of his cat. He's not really being unkind." But Bunky went sadly out into the pouring rain, limping worse than ever. Noddy couldn't bear to see his big rabbit ears flopping down. "Get into my car again. I'll take you home," he said. "The Tubby Bears will be kind to you, and so will little Tessie Bear. We'll all help you till your leg's better." "Oh, thank you," said Bunky, and gave Noddy a hug. "No one's ever been so nice to me before. I'll return your kindness, Noddy. Really, I will." Soon, they were driving through the wood back to Toy Town. Bunky cheered up at once when he was in the car. "Oh, what a wonderful car!" he said. "And what a fine driver you are, Noddy." Noddy was pleased. He drove rather too fast down the main road, and Mr. Plod saw him and shouted at him, "Hey, slow down! What do you think you are doing, Noddy? And who in the world is that with you?" "It's a Bunky," shouted Noddy proudly. "He's coming to stay with me." "A Bunky? Look like a monkey with bunny ears to me," said Mr. Plod, staring after them. "Ah, yes, of course. Bunny and monkey. A Bunky. Well, I never. Now, where did little Noddy get hold of him?" So, children, here we finish our second story of this book. So, it's interesting, isn't it? Bunky is now going to Noddy's home. And what is he going to do there? We are going to see it tomorrow. Wait for my next one over here on this YouTube channel. Till then, have a good day. Bye-bye.